we are doing numerical solving on properties of matter today. ठीक है? Properties of solids and properties of fluids, right? And we will be solving the questions from H.C. Verma only, Concepts of Physics, okay? So we are following this book. So this is the first question which all of you need to solve. This is this third one. Please solve it quickly. ये कौन शोर कर रहा है ये? हाँ भाई. So see, in this question, Ananya, any answers? बेटा प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैटर तो खत्म हो गया है ना, बचा है क्या कुछ इसमें?
तो आपने बोला था कि आज
क्या करेंगे? इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे बोला था क्या मैंने? बचा क्या है इसमें?
Few topics were left, I think so.
ओ हाँ 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 हाँ, नाउ आई रिमेम्बर. ठीक है ना, वी विल स्विच टू दोस दैट ओनली. लेट्स डू दैट. चलो. So what were the topics which were left? Amara, where till which topic we did completed that day? Pressure difference in inside and outside the drops, right?
yes sir.
Okay. And we did that one also, na? Rise of water in capillary.
Yes sir, we did it.
We did that, है ना? So today we will be doing Stokes
Till
law.
viscosity completed.
No, we haven't completed. Will viscosity also we have done? अच्छा, Poisson. हाँ हाँ, we did that.
Yes sir, we
हाँ
started
हाँ
it.
हाँ. नहीं नहीं, ठीक है, कर लिया था. So we have to do with we want to do.
सर आपका माइक म्यूट है.
ठीक है बेटा. तो this is a horizontal tube. The radius of the tube is r. The length of the tube is L. The pressure difference at the two ends, right? This is pressure here is PA, pressure here is PB. So PA minus PB is given to you as P. Okay. The coefficient of the fluid is, coefficient of viscosity of the fluid is eta, right? Now, what does Poisson's equation say? It says that the rate of flow of fluid. So what is this? Volume per unit time. So this is what? This is volume. And this is rate of flow of fluid. Okay. Is equal to K. This is some constant which can be found by experiment. Okay. And it is dependent on the pressure gradient across the horizontal length. The pressure gradient. So this is P by L power A. We don't know what is the value of this A, right? We will try to find it out. It depends on R. So R to the power B. And it depends on eta power C. All of you are aware about dimension of eta. What was it? It was M. क्या था शिव?
Sir,
It was
F1 L raised to -1 and T minus.
very good. Shabash beta. This was eta, right? Now we want to find what is A, B and C. हमें क्या निकालना है? हमें निकालना है A, B और C क्या होगा? Okay. So what is the dimension on the left hand side of the equation? It's L cube T minus 1, right? This is of volume. Volume का dimension क्या होता है? It's L cube. What is dimension of time T? It's T minus 1, right?
Yes.
All of you, yes or no? This is a dimensionless constant. So this does not have any dimension. Okay. And what is pressure P? Pressure is force per unit area. So it is M. L T minus 2 is force. Per unit area is L square. Right? And then we have length here. So it is L cube. Understood? And all this to the power A. I hope all of you understood it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Bhavani? Shiv, video on kar beta. Bhavani, switch on your video. Did you understand this? Bhavani? Arav, Lakshit, Ananya?
Understood, sir.
ये लड़की कहाँ चली गई यार?
Understood, sir.
हाँ, अनन्या है ना यहीं पे? बस ठीक है. चलो. So now we have, this was the dimension of P by L, right? Now what is the dimension of R? Dimension of R is L only. L to the power B. Now what is dimension of eta? It is M, L minus 1, T minus 1. And on the power of it is C. Now compare. Now, first of all, write all the powers. So it's M power A, T power minus 2A, right? Into L power minus 2A. Into L power B into M power C, L power minus C, T power minus C. So now it's M A plus C, T minus 2A minus C, L minus 2A plus B minus C. This is L cube T power minus 1, right? And what is the dimension of M here? 0. So from here we have A plus C is equal to 0. This is the first equation. What you need to do here is compare the dimensions, right? Now, we will compare the dimensions of time. We have minus 2A minus C is equal to minus 1. So put it as plus 1. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. फिर क्या आया बेटा लास्ट वाला? minus 2A plus B minus C is equal to 3. So on solving these two, what we get here is A is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 1. तो ये हो जाएगा minus 2 plus 1 plus B is equal to 3. This is B is equal to 4. I hope all of you understood how I got this. Yes or no? Please say.
Yes.
बोलो भाई बच्चों, yes or no?
Yes.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो भवानी.
can you please explain starting points? I have some network issues.
You see the recording now. Which point you want
Okay.
me to tell? Explain.
Starting
Precising,
point, rate
precise.
of flow. Yes, rate of flow is equals to K in.
So from here I have to explain it again. From this
No,
point
sir. No,
till which point?
that point only.
This point
That
only.
point only.
Okay.
Mm.
The rate of flow that is V by T of a horizontally flowing fluid is dependent on, this term is, please pay attention, this term is pressure gradient. Okay, Bhavani?
Yes, sir.
This blue circled one is pressure gradient. R is radius of the tube. Eta is coefficient of viscosity. So this rate of flow, that is volume upon time, this is rate of flow, okay, is dependent on the pressure gradient P by L power A. We don't know what is A. R power B, we don't know what is B. Eta power C, we don't know what is C. This K is a constant, right? This will be
Yes,
this
sir.
will be found experimentally. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So now when we solve it dimensionally, we have these equations, and these are the values of it. Now when I write it here, all of you please pay attention. When I substitute these values here, it becomes V by T. It becomes rate of flow of fluid is equal to, this K will be pi by 8. Okay, in laboratory we can find this. This is P by L power A. A was equal to 1. R power 4. And eta is what? Minus 1. So eta. Right? It's pi P R power 4 upon 8 eta L. This is the rate of flow of fluid, and this is what is Poiseuille's equation. I hope all of you understood it. Please go through it
Yes.
once. If you have any doubts, all 11th standard students, if you have any doubts, please ask. चलो शिव, तुमको कितनी बार बोलूं मैं कैमरा स्विच ऑन करने बेटा?
Sorry.
अरे तेरा वो डाउट का क्या करना है तेरे को? तू मतलब तेरे को याद नहीं रहता है क्या सर वो पूछना है करके डाउट?
सर नहीं सर, मतलब
नहीं याद रहता है?
सर नहीं, ग्रेविटेशन उसके सॉल्व करा था अभी, पिछले जितने भी चैप्टर्स थे उनके भी सारे डाउट्स एक साथ ही कवर कर।
कब पूछेगा बोलना?
सर सैटरडे तक।
ठीक है, चल सैटरडे को फिर एक टाइम फिक्स कर लेना मुझसे। दोपहर तू स्कूल जाता है सैटरडे को?
हाँ सर, जाना पड़ेगा।
तो संडे को कर ले फिर,
ठीक।
क्योंकि सैटरडे में आफ्टरनून खाली हूँ, 2 घंटे के लिए, 2-3 घंटे खाली रहता हूँ मैं, तो उस समय तू पूछ सकता है, वो टाइम तुझे दे दूंगा मैं।
यस।
Done, all of you? So this was Poiseuille's equation, right? Now comes, we are doing this is under viscosity only, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now comes Stokes law. Remember these formulas, most of the questions are formula based only. Okay? There is nothing new in that. So Stokes law, see, we have studied Newton's law of viscosity between, it was for the viscous force between liquid surfaces, right? Stokes law comes into force when a solid moves inside a viscous liquid. Okay. Now, it says whenever a solid moves inside a liquid, whenever a solid moves inside a viscous liquid, the force experienced by it, or right, the viscous force, experienced by it is dependent on number one, speed of the object, number two, dimension of the body of the object, and number three, viscosity of the fluid. ठीक है? So in this Stokes law, we discuss only about for a spherical object, moving inside a viscous liquid, right? The force is given as इधर देखो बच्चों सब लोग, force F is dependent on speed of the object, so V power A, dimension of the object R power B, and coefficient of viscosity eta power C. The proportionality constant here is 6 pi. ठीक है? ये अगेन ये अच्छा चलो k लिख लो पहले इसको, k V power A R power B eta power C. Now this k is what? K is nothing but 6 pi. ठीक है? This is VA R power B eta power C. What is dimension of F? Again we will do the dimensional analysis to find the values of A, B and C. So what is force F? It's mlt minus 2. ये क्या आ जाएगा बेटा? 6 pi. Velocity क्या है? L t power minus 1 power A. R क्या है? L power B. Eta क्या है? It's m L minus 1 t minus 1 power C. ठीक है? What is dimension of m here? 1. So what is dimension of m here? It's C. So C is 1. What is dimension of L here? 1. What is dimension of L on the right hand side? It's A plus B minus C. What is dimension of T here? It's minus 2. What is dimension of T on the right hand side? It's minus A minus C, right? So it becomes A plus C is equal to 2. So A is also equal to 1. So we have A as 1, C as 1, and A minus C will cancel out here. So from here we get B as 1, right? So the force acting on a spherical object moving across a moving across a viscous liquid with speed V and radius R is given as 6 pi eta RV. But these conditions are valid for any solid object. Understood? But these conditions are only for, because radius will be only for a spherical object, right? If the object is cuboidal in sense, then it will be valid, it will be proportional to the dimensions of the sides. श्लेषा समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? देखो किसी को अगर मेरी अंग्रेजी, वैसे मैं बहुत खराब अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ, अगर अंग्रेजी समझ नहीं आती हो ना तो मुझसे बात कर लेना हिंदी में, सर नहीं समझ में आया। तो मैं, क्योंकि मेरी अंग्रेजी खराब है इसलिए मैं तुम्हें दोबारा हिंदी में समझा सकता हूँ, किसी को भी अगर ऐसा लगता हो तो। All of you read it twice. If you have any doubts, please ask. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhavani? Understood?
Yes.
Arav, समझ आया बेटा नहीं आया Arav?
Yes.
So this was Stokes' law. Then comes terminal velocity. Now what is terminal velocity? It is the maximum velocity which an object can attain when it is moving inside a viscous fluid. ठीक है? Now see. So this is a viscous fluid we have. Okay. And actually this experiment is done, but I will not tell you the experiment first. I'll tell you what is happening here. So an object of, say, this object is dropped at this location. Okay, it's a very small object. And now after moving certain distance here at this position, it has attained a maximum velocity. It has attained a constant velocity, right? The velocity with which it will now move is constant. And we are observing this object between these 2 points. So let's say the distance between these 2 points is L or D, whatever you want to take. Okay. Now when this object is moving inside this, when it has reached this position or any position in between these 2 points, you just check what are the forces which are acting. So its weight mg downwards, right? Then there is a buoyant force acting upwards. And then there is this Stokes law, the force because of Stokes law. So these are 3 different forces which are acting. Let's say the radius of this ball is r, the density of the solid is rho s, the density of the liquid is rho l, okay, and coefficient of viscosity is eta. So what is the weight? Weight W, buoyant force B, and this is force because of Stokes law, Fs. So what will be buoyant force? It was equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. So volume of the liquid displaced is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then multiplied by density of the liquid into G. This is buoyant force. What is weight? It's 4 by 3 pi r cube rho s into G. And what is this Fs? It's 6 pi eta r v. So this velocity is maximum with which it is moving. Beyond this, it will not. That is what is the terminal velocity, right? Once the object has attained the terminal velocity, it will keep on going like this. Keep on going with the same velocity. तो बच्चों देखो अब क्या हुआ? Following Newton's laws, Fs plus B minus W is equal to 0. What is Fs? Is 6 pi eta RV. What is buoyant force? It's 4 by 3 pi r cube rho L G. What is weight? It's 4 by 3 pi r cube rho S into G is equal to 0. So from here I get V as 2 rho S minus rho L into G into R square upon 9 eta. This is the velocity.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Sir, can you show the previous slides? Okay, just
तारिणी,
drawn. Yes, sir.
क्या हो गया बेटा? आज क्यों नहीं आई थी?
Sir, college था, sir.
मैं समझ रहा हूँ. एक्चुअली अभी रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड करूंगा, प्लीज चेक कर लेना उसको. हाँ,
हाँ, sir.
अभी कर दूंगा इनफैक्ट मैं.
हाँ, okay, sir.
थोड़ा 1 घंटा जाएगा क्योंकि वो रेंडर होता है ना, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बट प्लीज चेक
हाँ,
करना.
sir, कोई बात नहीं है.
यस हमारा अगर वेलोसिटी बढ़ेगी नहीं बेटा, इफ द वेलोसिटी रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट देन एक्सेलरेशन इज जीरो ओनली ना.
Yes, sir.
तारिणी मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ ना बेटा, तुम ये फॉर्मूला लिखती जाओ बस अभी, ठीक है. अभी न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने के लिए ना दिस विल हेल्प यू एज ऑफ नाउ.
Okay, sir.
इसको लिखने में तुम्हें बहुत टाइम लगेगा, ठीक है.
हाँ sir.
फिर अभी न्यूमेरिकल करवा दूंगा. ये था v/t, दिस इज वेलोसिटी पर यूनिट टाइम, रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ फ्लूइड है ये. π/8, p is pressure difference across the ends of the tube, r is radius of the tube, eta is coefficient of viscosity, l is length of the tube, right? So
Yes, sir.
write this equation. Then the next one is this one. This is we discussed this. इतना लिख लो इसको. Whenever a solid moves inside a viscous fluid, the viscous force. Always remember the conditions. Whenever you are solving numericals, check what are the conditions, right? There are different types of viscous forces which you have seen till now, right? One was because of Newton's laws, when the liquid layers are moving over each other. The second one is this one, when the solid is moving inside the fluid, right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
श्लेषा समझ आ रहा है ना बेटा? भवानी तुमको समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं बेटा?
Yes, sir.
And then this was the terminal velocity one. ठीक है. Here v is the terminal velocity, rho s minus rho l. This is density of solid, density of liquid, gr square upon 9 eta. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
चलो आगे चले.
सर एक मिनट आप रुक सकते हैं.
रुक सकते, क्यों नहीं रुक सकते?
यस.
Then there is this Reynolds number, right? Now, what is this Reynolds number? This is a number which gives us whether the flow of fluid is streamlined, turbulent, or undecisive. ठीक है. So this Reynolds number is given as capital N, and this capital N is equal to rho v d by eta. Okay. This is rho v d by eta. ठीक है. Now, if this number is less than 2000, then then the flow is a streamline flow or a steady flow. You can write it as steady flow. The flow of the fluid is steady. Matlab the streamlines will not crisscross each other, right? When n is greater than 3000, then the flow is turbulent in nature. Turbulent का मतलब क्या होता है? There will not be any streamlines. And when the flow is between when the number is between 3000 and 2000, this is undecisive. Or we should call it as unstable. ठीक है. Now what is rho here? Rho is density of the fluid. All of you please write down the details of this. Density of the fluid. See, this chapter is pure formula based chapter, and believe me, at least one question is what you will encounter in. What is eta? It's viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity, sorry. . What is d? It's diameter of the tube. Flow of tube. What is v? V is velocity of the flow of fluid. भवानी समझ आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. What is n? n is Reynolds number. ठीक है? चलो. If you are just quickly write it. If you have written it, we will solve some numericals based on this. Give me a second, huh? If you are done, just type done. Chalo, let's solve some numericals, okay? ये सब नहीं करते solve. कहाँ चला गया? एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन है इसमें. See this question. 27th. Okay, I'll show you how to solve it, but just read that question 2 times, 3 times. All of you read this question. It says 2 large plates are placed. All of you read it twice and then only I'll explain it to you. Once you are done reading, let me know you are done. हाँ भाई, पढ़ के हो गया सवाल?
Yes, sir.
चलो अब देखो, इसको कोई ट्राई करना चाहता है क्या? एनीवन हु वांट्स टू ट्राई इट? श्लेषा, तरिणी, अनन्या करना चाहती हैं ट्राई। अनन्या चलो करो ट्राई, मैं सबको 2 मिनट का टाइम दे रहा हूं इसको सॉल्व करने का, 2 मिनट से ज्यादा का क्वेश्चन नहीं है ये। 20 to 17 I will be explaining this question to all of you. And those of you who don't want to do this question, try the next one. ये 1.5 सेंटीमीटर किसका है आंसर? 27th का? अनन्या जी, अच्छा चेक करते हैं, रुकिए जरा। अब अनन्या जी आप बताइए आपने कैसे किया है? हमारी आवाज नहीं आ रही है,
यस सर, तो अभी आ रही है?
जोर से बोलो ना थोड़ा।
सर अभी आ रही है?
बिल्कुल सही, बताएं।
यस सर। यस सर, पहले मैंने जो उसकी साइड है, पहले मैंने उसे अज्यूम कर लिया। एंड फिर मैंने सरफेस टेंशन निकाला जो लेयर्स कांटेक्ट में है।
वो क्या है? वो सरफेस टेंशन वाला जो फोर्स है वो कितना है?
सर 2 ऐसे आया मेरा, मतलब मैंने 2 ऐसे किया।
क्यों 2 ऐसे
फिर
आया? एक एक मिनट, तुम मेरे सवालों का जवाब देती जाओ बस। 2 ऐसे क्यों आया वो?
सब फॉर्मूला से मैंने
कौन
फॉर्मूला
सा
करा
फॉर्मूला
था।
बेटा?
तो सरफेस टेंशन वाला।
हाँ, यही मार खा गया इंडिया,
तो हमें यही कराया गया था, मतलब ऐसे
इसीलिए
ये
तो
वाला
गड़बड़
क्वेश्चन
है
करा है
ये।
मैंने।
बस अब देखो मैं तुम्हें सिखाता हूँ, देखो क्यों जो
ओके।
आंसर आ रहा है तुम्हारा सही है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
यस सर।
देखो ये प्लेट, 2 प्लेट्स है ना ऐसे।
यस
See,
सर।
these are two large plates, right? All of you, please pay attention here. These are two
Yes.
large plates, right? So they will have some width also. Okay? They will have some width also, right? And these are the widths of it. अब क्या होगा? When you dip these two plates like this in the inside the fluid, right? What will happen here is the fluid will rise in between these two plates. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अनन्या जी देखिए, ये पानी ऐसे ऊपर चढ़ेगा कि नहीं? तो दिस इज द फ्लूइड, okay? Now the dimensions of the plate, जो width है plate का, let's take this width as, this is the width of the plate, right? Let's take this width as d or l, whatever you want to take, right? ठीक है? This height by which the water has moved up is h, okay? Now the force, where is the contact here? Where is the contact here? This is the contact, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have this length is L and L. Now, because of this contact, remember we have learnt about surface tension. Surface tension is force per unit length, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
one of the force will be applied by this force and one of the surface force will be applied by this side. And both of them are F, which is equal to S into L. अनन्या जी अब आपको समझ आया कि नहीं आया? हाँ, तो अब आया बेटी यहाँ पे 2SL. This is the net force acting upwards. And what is preventing now? What will prevent this water to move up? The weight of this water. And that is how much? The width between them is D. The distance between the plates is D, right? Distance between the plates is equal to 1 millimeter. So D into L into H. This is the volume into density of water. What is density of water? This is density of water into G. So this is DLH into density of water into G. LL cancels out. This was the unknown dimension to you. You have to find H. So H is what? S upon D into rho W into G. And what is this? This is 0.075. D क्या है? 1 millimeter. 10 to the power minus 3. Density of water क्या है? 10 to the power 3. एक 2 भी तो था, 2 कहाँ चला गया?
तो 2s नहीं आएगा?
आएगा ना, मैं वो भूल गया था लिखना. इंटू 2 और यहाँ पे आएगा एक G का 10. ठीक है, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गए. ये कितना मिला मुझे? 0.15 0 upon 10 और इट इज, ये मीटर में है ना, सेंटीमीटर के लिए 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो इसको, तो 1.5 सेंटीमीटर. किसको समझ, देखो ये जो है ना, इसका ये विजुअलाइजेशन ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, बाकी सब तो मिथ्या है. बेटा वो जो फॉर्मूला है ना अनन्या, वो फॉर्मूले में पता है वो लोग क्या करते हैं? वो जो 2SR वाला फॉर्मूला नहीं है अपना, उसी को डाल देते हैं वो लोग, तो उससे आ तो जाता है, पर ये तो बच जाते हैं क्योंकि डायमेंशन डायमेंशन दिया हुआ है. नहीं दिया रहेगा तो दिक्कत होगी. तरणी समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
एंड किसको नहीं समझ में आया? भवानी, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
Yes,
और
sir.
हमारा शिव समझ आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
हमारा ढीकरा शिव
Yes, sir.
अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
लक्षित सर, ये सो गया लड़का हमारा. लक्षित आ रहा हो?
Yes, sir.
ये 28 का आंसर बताओ भाई. ट्वेंटी एट का आंसर कोई नहीं बता रहा मुझे.
1 minute, sir.
हम्म. हाँ भाई, any answer? 28th. See, it will get converted into a spherical drop, right? उसने बोला डेंसिटी को अकाउंट में मत लो, डोंट टेक डेंसिटी इनटू अकाउंट. ओके, व्हाट विल यू डू हियर? यू विल सिंपली, अनन्या नहीं हुआ बेटा 28th? अच्छा कर रही हो, करो. क्या आया अनन्या, कैसे आया मुझे बताओ. अच्छा तारिणी का आया है. ओके तारिणी, टेल मी हाउ डिड यू डू बेटा?
Sir, I equated the volume to the 4 by 3 pi r square.
4/3 pi r cube बेटा.
Oh, sorry, pi r cube.
So from here you will get r. Very good, shabash.
Yes, sir.
So it's 3 upon 4 pi power 1 by 3, and this will be in centimeters, right?
Yes, sir.
Now area is how much? It's 6 pi, sorry, not 6 pi, 4 pi
4
r
pi
square,
r
right?
square.
Very good, shabash. So this is it. So it's 4 pi into 3 upon 4 pi power 2 by 3. Now you can actually bring in side this 4 and pi also. So this is 16 pi upon 4 into 3 power 2 by 3. So this is, how much is this? Galat likh, did I write something wrong here? One centimeter cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This 4 pi r square. ठीक तो है. Tarini, this is what you did,
Sir, I did the same thing.
and you are getting the answer as
The same thing
36
over
pi.
there.
Is this 36 pi? 4 fours are 30. अच्छा पावर 1 by 3 लिखा है पर ये.
1 by 3, sir.
अच्छा 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 ठीक है ठीक है. हाँ यू कैन, ठीक है मैं समझ गया. यू कैन स्क्वायर इट एंड देन राइट. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? हेलो.
Yes.
Yes,
तो
sir.
मुझे कैलकुलेशन समझ नहीं आया.
हाँ हाँ मैं समझाता. ये इसको कर देना बेटा. तो ये हो गया 12 पाई
ओके सर.
2 पावर 3. नहीं इसमें कुछ तो गड़बड़ है एक्चुअली. ये अंदर भी आएगा तो इट विल बिकम व्हाट? अच्छा क्यूब लेके आएगा यार, सॉरी मैंने गलत कर रखा है. ये जो है ना, this will be multiplied by 3 by 2 here. So 4 pi power 3 by 2 into 3 upon 4 pi, और ये whole to the power 2 by 3 होगा. ठीक है, क्या नाम है इसका, हमारा.
यस सर. यस सर.
आप कर लेगी ना?
सर.
तो अब आप लोग इसको करिए और जाइए, आप लोग जा सकते हैं. ठीक है, वी विल बी मीटिंग टुमारो at 9:30 for 12th standard session. आप शिव कल्याण शेट्टी जी, आप मेरे को कब मिल रहे हैं? आप अपना टाइम बताएंगे अब.
सर संडे को टाइम पता
संडे
होगा
को
सर।
1 बजे चलेगा
ओके।
तुमको?
ठीक है सर।
तुम लिख लो, अलार्म लगा लो, अगर मैं भूल जाऊं तो तुम मुझे याद दिलाओगे।
ओके सर।
ये तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है अब ये,
यस।
ठीक है? पक्का गड़बड़ नहीं करोगे इसमें कोई?
नहीं सर।
हाँ, क्योंकि अब क्या है ना शिव, मैंने अभी बोला था तुम लोग को वो राकेश मिश्रा सर से तुम्हारा वो करवाने के, मैंने उन्होंने डाला है, एक नोट डाला, तो देखा
हाँ
तुमने?
सर। हाँ सर।
तुमने टाइम टेबल का मांगा उनसे, कैसे शेड्यूल कर सकते हैं? तुमने
नहीं।
अपना स्लॉट फिक्स किया उनके साथ?
नहीं सर।
ये तो गलत बात है ना शिव। तुम्हारा ये चैलेंज है या नहीं है पढ़ने का, हाउ टू
हाँ
फाइंड आउट टाइम? तो जब कोई करवा रहा है तुम्हें तो क्यों नहीं करवाते? ही इज अ वेरी गुड पर्सन फॉर दैट, ही इज एन
ओके।
एक्सपर्ट इन दैट, ठीक है? वो 18,000 बच्चों को संभालते थे एक जगह पे, 18,000 स्टूडेंट्स, और वो तुमको कोई फ्री फोकट में करवा रहा है तुम लोग को, मतलब समझा करो ना, मेरे कहने से करवा रहे हैं वो, नहीं तो करवाने वरवाने वाले कुछ नहीं थे वो। तो कोई तुमको अगर टाइम टेबल बनवा रहा है इज्जत से, तुम जा सकती हो श्लेषा, यू कैन गो बाय, बट प्लीज बुक योर स्लॉट्स विथ मिस्टर राकेश मिश्रा, है ना? राकेश सर के साथ स्लॉट फिक्स करो, टाइम टेबल सेट करो एंड फॉलो दैट, स्टिक टू दैट टाइम टेबल, एंड इफ यू फाइंड एनी प्रॉब्लम इन दैट तो पूछो क्या समस्या है कि नहीं? अंडरस्टूड? जैसे तुम मुझसे
यस।
बात कर रहे हो ना, वैसे ही उनसे बात कर सकते हो। मैं तो डांट भी दूंगा तुम्हें, वो नहीं डांटते, किसी को नहीं डांटते वो, जब तक पटकोगे नहीं, है ना? तो चलो, बाय, वी विल मीट टुमारो, ठीक है?
थैंक यू।
बाय।
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
भवानी, यू वेट फॉर योर
Sir,
डाउट्स।